is he? Petu.
Filmovi za vikend na prvom programu RTV-a.
Tavas!
Peter O'Toole, Lawrence od Arabije. Subota 25.
You're the most extraordinary man I ever met.
Come on, man!
Diane Keaton, verni saputnik. Nedelja 15.05.
Don't you know how much that dog means to me?
I like him too, I'm just not obsessed with him.
Halle Berry, savršen stranac. Nedelja 25.
Her name is Catherine Pogue.
The boss is kind of hot.
Married. He had a couple of inter-office flings, paid a lot of money.